Let us give life to two birds with only one breath. Let's expand the wings of God and conquer the illusion called death. If we affirm evil within another, we tell the story of our own. Do you know we break majestic flight and kill two birds with one stone? What's seen in others is a mirror showing forth our own reflection. If all we see is ugliness, there is a need for self-inspection. Be careful not to cast the stone, else one of the birds you'll kill is you. If you can't see the highest in another, it dies within you too. Look for the best within all others. Lift them up, don't let them fall. Give unto them a pair of wings, then fly away, you, them, and all. See God within all others, deny evil, ignorance, and death, and forevermore give life to two birds with only one breath. Welcome, beloveds. Welcome to the first moment of the best of your life. I see you logging on. I appreciate you being here with me. I'm loving you so much. And we're going to have a monumental, eternal moment here and now. I am Astarius Miraculi, and that was an excerpt from my book. So giving life to two birds with one breath. You know, any exalted something that you see about another being becomes an exaltation of yourself by reflexed extension. It reflexes back to you when you see something good within another. You know, if we affirm evil within others, then we are also, as I said, telling the story of our own breaking majestic flight and killing two birds with one stone. Much better to give life to two birds with one breath than to kill two birds with one stone. So I'm here to remind you of the magnificence of your being. And I thank you for being in the awareness of your magnificence. I thank you for blessing life in a good way. I thank you for knowing that you make a monumental impact upon the expansion of life. I thank you for knowing that it is you, the universe, wielding the energy and the forces through you and using that energy in a good way. I'm feeling the call of the didgeridoo right now. I'd like to offer some sound frequencies with that. And the specific intention is to bring a activation of your awareness of who you are as the oneness of the wholeness of the universe, who you are as your own version of the whole universe. And yes, I'm waving back at you. I'm loving you from over here. So as I play the didgeridoo, feel the activation of that resonance of oneness. You know, the oneness of the wholeness that you are. You know, your version of the universe. It is this one here, Astarius Miraculi, I call it, named after me. A healing given to you and me and every being in all existence, included and helping in your healing. Thank you, Divine Creator, for bringing us into the presence of mind and heart to remember who we are as the whole of the universe, in the recognition that we are a soul in the body of the universe, and the universe is a cell in the body of our soul. Thank you for this divine recognition and the willingness to allow the universe to have its way in expression through us. Thank you for tuning in, beloveds. Thank you for remembering who you really are as your own version of the universe, as your own version of the Most High. I am your intuitive astrologer, your sound wizard, healing transmitter, your Reiki master teacher, and your crafter of crystal ascension wands. If any of these modalities would be of interest to you, direct message me, go to my website, or give me a call. Oho, Ashe, Amen, Namaste, Hotepin, Lakesha, Lakin, Shalom, Satnam, Hariom, Rastafari. Our sacred juices are cooked and infinitely expanding. Juicefari. May you always have many miles on your smile, wiggle in your giggle, tingling in your boots, laughter ever after, putt in your strut, wings on your butt, always rising up at the top. There's room for all. It's just the bottom. It's crowded, y'all, and so it is, and so it shall eternally be.